So you've already signed up in Save Club as an affiliate, okay? You're a member for that 1997. You paid the $60 and you're kind of moseying around saveclub.com, going through the back office, looking at maybe some training and going through things. But after, it could even be a day or two, could be a week or two, could be a month or so. We're barely over a month old, but you're stuck. You're not sure what to do. You signed up underneath someone, but they're not really, I don't know if you'd want to call it a leader. Could be like a guru. All right, did you join a team? If you didn't, I recommend that you do. Now, you're not going to quit Save Club and rejoin. If you've already joined Save Club, I have a solution. I've signed up 75 people, and it's put me in the top 10 on the leaderboard by using exactly what I'm going to show you. It's $25. I like to talk about time and money first, not at the end of the video where you feel like, oh, I watched for 10 minutes and now it's just a bunch of upsells. I don't need to do that with this. Okay? This is nothing more than a funnel. That means that someone clicks a link, watches a web page, and if they're interested in more information or want to join, they just go to the next step, which is usually putting your name, email, clicking a button, and they're on their way based upon the video or videos that funnel will show that person, like yourself. Not me. I'm not on the phone all day. I don't text all day. I don't email all day. I do get random questions, and I love answering them. That means you're interested. As an affiliate, you want to earn money and save money. But I like my funnel to do the first steps of educating you about what Save Club is, how to save money on things you're probably already buying, and then, of course, how to be an affiliate for that $60. But just because you're an affiliate for $60 doesn't mean you're really an affiliate yet. You have to take action. You have to do stuff. You have to upload things. Well, what should I upload to? Well, do you like TikTok? Do you like Instagram? Do you like Facebook? Do you know how to do any of it? Well, if you don't, no problem. We have videos that show you how to upload on every social media platform that's basically in the top 5 in the world. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, X, which used to be Twitter. You guys know LinkedIn, that one. A lot of people don't even think of like, well, should I put something on Craigslist? Should I get a business card? Or word of mouth? You know what? If you feel comfortable just inviting people to click a link and they go to that link and then boom, a video that tells them everything about Save Club. Not you. You're not embarrassed. Your friends don't have to sit there like this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm so interested. Okay, a lot of people, they're not going to really want to join anything. They're happy with their environment, or maybe they're just interested in another type of online business. But it's nice that if people don't want to do Save Club, that they just go on their way and don't have to embarrassingly say, well, I have to talk to my wife or my pet giraffe in the backyard. All right, don't get caught there. It's embarrassing and it's awkward. That's old school MLM. We are not MLM. We're not old school. We're 2025. Right now, let's see, it's July 7th of 2025 as I produce this video. And all you're going to do is invite people to click something. And if they join, you'll get a notification. And don't worry, if you're in my team, I'm going to help you out 4 or 5 levels deep because I can make money by helping you make money. That's the beauty of this type of matrix pay system. Okay, when you're an affiliate, we need you to get comfortable just uploading every day and making it fun. And right now, I just got over the 4th of July weekend. I had 2 massive car shows. Yesterday, I had a pool party. I accidentally drove by a Burger King and bought a couple Whoppers, 2 for the price of 1. Thank you, Save Club. I had to wash a couple vehicles because we had a light rainstorm I got caught in. So I had a whole bunch of fun outside working on my tan and celebrating with food and friends. But I also produce content, which will make me money. It'll make you money. You just got to make it fun and not freak out and think, oh, God, I got to post. Well, you're already probably posting on these darn things anyway. Post with a purpose. Post something that's interesting. Okay, save money. Okay, I've heard of saving money for my whole life. Guys, I was born in the 60s. I've heard save here, join to do this, to do that. Save clubs have been around forever, but not like Save Club. Not this one. That's why I joined this one. Okay? I'm not looking to join anything. But when Save Club popped up, I went, ugh, because I know this infrastructure. I know the ownership. And when I looked at what the end-all, be-all, what the final destination with Save Club is, and that is worldwide savings, not just in America like Groupon, Orbitz, Priceline. Just type up Save Clubs, not saveclub.org, but Save Clubs. And oh my God, there's 1,000 of them. But are they worldwide in every city, state, and country? And do they have an affiliate opportunity where for $60 you can earn money? Earn money every single month. I'm talking cash. And saving money, which is almost like earning money, because if you can save $100 to $200 a month on things you're already buying, 200 times what? 12? Isn't that $5 million? You'll save $5 billion. That's amazing. Most people, they don't even reach millionaire status, let alone a billion. Okay, I'm just kidding. Disclaimer, disclaimer. Will you save money? I sure think so, in my opinion. I buy basic stuff. Food. I like to travel now and then. I don't really fly and go to hotels, but I like to drive now. I like motorcycling. I like saving on gasoline. I go to Walmart, I'll admit. I love Walmart. I go to Home Depot. I go to Lowe's. I accidentally go to Wendy's and buy Frosties. I accidentally go to pizza places and buy pizza. Do you do that too? I know. We all try to improve our health and wealth, but I'll tell you what, I spend on stupid stuff and I eat crazy things like breakfast cereal and burritos and pizza and all that other stuff that we're not supposed to, but I sure in the hell do. Okay? I keep things very real with Save Club. I don't have to fake to make. You got $20 a month, you're a member. You spend that $60, you're an affiliate, but you got to do things that an affiliate does every day. And that's post things, content, video, pictures. If you're brand new, good. If you have a whole bunch of information that you've learned over the years about uploading things or online business, awesome. You're going to freak out at how easy Save Club is. We already have all the marketing materials just sitting there. They're all neutral so that they promote Save Club as a membership and how to earn money too as an affiliate. So all you have to do is invite people to your own link, which you're going to get, so they can get more information or join. And when they join, yes, they're going right in your group. That's what I mean about all of our marketing material is completely neutral. Thousands of pictures, hundreds of videos, and there will be thousands. In the next month or two, every Monday we do a drop of brand new video and brand new pictures that you can upload anywhere you want. We have videos, how to Facebook, how to TikTok, yes, how to X, how to LinkedIn. You probably heard of Facebook. Have you heard of YouTube? We have videos in our back office that show you exactly how to upload. We have the pictures. We have the videos that are all ready to upload. And if you want to come up with your own way of talking like I'm doing on a webcam, just chit-chatting for 5 to 10 minutes, inviting people to your link, awesome. I think there's a good advantage, great advantage, awesome advantage if you don't mind talking on video. But you know what? If you're not going to feel comfortable doing it at all, that's okay. We will just stimulate the old brain cells and make it fun, make it affordable, and just so you're going to hear the term take action. You're going to actually just watch my videos and do some research. And I hope you join my team. I belong to 2 of the biggest teams in Save Club. We dominate the leaderboard. 75 to 80% of my team, my group, are on the leaderboard worldwide. Okay, I'm in the top 10. I want to show you exactly what I do. Make it fun. Invite people to click something to watch a video. And if you don't want to join, awesome. If you want more information, cool. And if you want to join, just follow the instructions. Everything, in my opinion, is turnkey at this point. We and the people that are behind and own Save Club, they have 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s. If we combined all of our years of experience, it's hundreds of years of experience on recruiting or getting people to join something. But if they fail and just get stuck, what's the point? You might as well just have a normal job where you get paid, just you get paid to do something either by the hour or by the week or by the month. Okay? Do you have a salary? Are you on commission? Do you join something to work by the hour? Everybody wants to earn money somehow. But if you get stuck and you run out of ideas, okay, yeah, you spend a lot of time doing something, but with no pay. That's me with my Legos. See how the Lego kits, there's various ones you can probably see if I move my chair and got out of the way. Okay, I'm not looking for a hobby, and neither are you. You need money to afford your hobby. I don't want you wasting time and trying to learn, and not earn. You can earn while you learn with Save Club. It's already in a turnkey mode, like I said. All you got to do is just go to 2 links, okay? Thank you for the last 10 minutes of your life and my life. Okay? Now let me show you the links. Joinsaveclub.org. That's the official way to get more information or join. Save Club Funnels is it's a funnel, and all it is a website that has a video that is 20 minutes that explains Save Club in greater detail, where you can get a cup of coffee, get a drink, get a sandwich. Watch that video for 20 minutes. It explains in greater detail. So you don't have to, I don't have to. Okay? You want a video that does all the work for you. Just make content every day and make it fun, inviting people. In my case, saveclubfunnels.com. In my other case, joinsaveclub.org. I'm done. Videos do everything for me. If you need to email me, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I love getting messages every day. All right, I learn a lot from your questions. Mostly it's about marketing. Because when you join Save Club, there's training. The back office is easy. It's designed to be easy. If it's all complicated, no one's going to follow through, and it's just going to be a fluke. Save Club will come and go, and 3 months, you'll never hear from it again. Okay, we have thousands of people a day signing up at this point. They can only sign up underneath affiliates like myself. I paid the $60, and then I make it kind of fun and simple to click. You can see the links right below, okay? I want you to do the same, please. Okay, keep it simple, Sally. KISS. I have a KISS lamp right below. No, I think it's right in back of my buffet, isn't it, right there? All right, look, there's even a KISS lava lamp and KISS drum sets. And I love the band KISS, but I also like to keep it simple, silly. Okay, let's do that. All right, guys. Thank you. I went over a couple minutes. Thanks for the last 12 little minutes of your life, okay? Get a hold of me for real. I'm not shy. And I'll answer you the best I can or make you a video about your question, okay? I'd love to answer anything I can help you with. Also, support@saveclub.com is there for you as well, with technical stuff, cryptocurrency, how do I do this, Visa card, MasterCard, okay, all the technical stuff, support@saveclub.com. But when it comes to marketing, all right, that's where I want to help you out, okay? Me and my team I belong to, we dominate this business, okay? So join a team. You can join someone, but I'll tell you, you're going to have a massive advantage if you join a team, okay? Thanks, guys. All right, subscribe to my YouTube channel. You guys have a kick-ass day, okay? Take care. Bye.